Welcome to today's English grammar lesson on sentence structure and word order. Understanding how sentences are structured and the correct order of words is essential for effective communication. So let's dive into this topic and explore it further. Sentence structure refers to the way words are organized to convey meaning. In English, sentences typically follow a subject-verb-object (SVO) structure. This means that a sentence usually consists of a subject, a verb, and an object. Let's take a closer look at each component. The subject is the person, thing, or entity that performs the action in a sentence. It answers the question, who or what is doing the action. For example, in the sentence John eats an apple, John is the subject. The verb is the action or state of being in a sentence. It shows what the subject is doing or the condition it is in. In the sentence John eats an apple, eats is the verb. The object is the receiver of the action in a sentence. Or it provides additional information about the subject or verb. In the sentence John eats an apple is the object. Now that we understand the basic components of a sentence, let's talk about word order. In English, the typical word order is subject-verb-object (SVO). However, there can be variations depending on the sentence structure and emphasis. Let's look at some examples to illustrate different sentence structures. First, we have a basic SVO sentence, John eats an apple. In this sentence, the subject John comes first, followed by the verb eats, and then the object an apple. However, we can alter the word order to emphasize different parts of the sentence. For example, in a sentence like an apple John eats, the object an apple is emphasized. Notice that the subject John remains the same, but the object an apple is moved to the beginning of the sentence. It's important to note that while word order can vary for emphasis or stylistic purposes, maintaining subject-verb-object structure ensures clarity and coherence in communication. Additionally, other elements like adjectives, adverbs, and prepositional phrases can be added to provide more information in a sentence. For instance, in the sentence, John eats a juicy red apple slowly in the park, we have additional details describing the apple juicy, red, the manner of eating slowly, and the location in the park. Understanding sentence structure and word order allows us to construct grammatically correct and meaningful sentences. You've made significant progress in understanding sentence structure and word order. Remember to practice constructing sentences using different word orders to enhance your communication skills. That concludes our lesson on sentence structure and word order. I hope you found it informative and valuable. Keep practicing and applying these principles, and you'll become more proficient in constructing clear and effective sentences. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Keep exploring and refining your understanding of sentence structure and word order, and you'll continue to grow as a confident English communicator. Good luck.